Hi you guys, it's John from Lakeshore RV Center. We're going to show you some of the basics on your Alpha Wolf trailer. This is your power tongue jack in front. This button controls the up and down of your power tongue jack. This controls your light. Behind this, these simply unscrew, and there's the two propane tanks. On the propane tanks here, let's show you this real quick here. You've got these valves, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Righty-tighty will actually shut off the propane tanks. Lefty-loosey will open up the propane tanks. There's a valve down here that you can see that's green. That's actually your selector valve, which tells you the direction that the propane tank, the fuel is flowing from. When it's in green and not red, that means actually propane is going through the lines. When it turns red, that means that tank is empty. And what you can do is you can rotate this, or it's an auto changer where it'll change automatically. Comes with the battery for the camper. We're going to show you how to operate your tow equipment when you come to pick it up. These are your jacks underneath. There's a crank handle that simply cranks down those jacks. Pass through storage here. You have an exterior shower, which is a hot and cold port here. This is your fresh water fill. The city water connection, which is just a garden hose you'd use for that. It's a whitewater drinking hose. And this is to flush the tank. This is to flush your septic lines down here. The 3-inch is your waste tank. Your 1.5 inch is your gray. You always want to empty your waste tank first and follow up by flushing out with your gray tank line. Simple on and off for your light switches. Your hot water heater, there's really not much you have to do with this. This is an auto ignition hot water heater. Everything's operated from the inside of the camper with a couple buttons we're going to push from in there. But you do want to check it and make sure there's water that's actually in the hot water heater. This plug allows you to drain your tank when you go to winterize. 7/8 inch socket to drain the tank when you go to winterize it. This little one down here gets hot. This is your furnace exhaust. You want to keep the little ones away from that. I'll walk you around the outside of this camper. Your camper comes with a 25-foot power cord. We give you electrical adapters, convert down to 30 and 15 amp. Your spare tires located back here. You have a camera on this one. The camera is controlled from your phone. There's a little QR code that you scan there, and that QR code is operated through your phone system. We're going to slowly walk you to the inside of the camper, show you how to operate the slide, the awning, the electrical outlets. Okay, we're going to walk you inside your camper here. This thermostat is a simple mode controlled thermostat. You push this button at the bottom, that'll turn the thermostat to the on position. Fan, high, cool for air conditioning, low. Auto is thermostatically controlled with the up and down arrows. And heat, and that toggles the off position. This is your in command center. This is where everything happens, guys. This is for interior, exterior lights. Simply blue lights lets you know that it is in operation. The other lets you know it's shut off. This just tells you the levels of all the tanks. Water heater, when we want to turn that on for gas, simply push that button. That'll auto ignite. Pump, same thing, in command. Push that right there. It'll kick that on to pressure. This is to retract or extend our awning. We simply push those. Same thing with slide up, in and out. This is to let us know that our solar panel on top of the roof is being charged. This is our 110 to the side to the hot water here. We simply hit that on, and the 110 side, in other words, when you're plugged in, will operate that hot water heater. I'm going to walk you to the front, just walk you through a couple of things. USB connections in the sidewall. Your lights, just so you know, in the center of your lights, you simply depress the center to shut off your lights if there's not a switch located on the wall. Most of your outlets are ground fault protected. All that simply means is there is a breaker in your outlets, typically located in the bathroom. See this little green light that's right here? That just means your ground fault is functioning properly. If that turns to red, there's a reset here. You simply have to depress that. That will reset that button. All right, guys, I'm going to walk you through the camper. Your keys are around your faucet, just so you know. We're going to go over to the stove. I'm going to show you how to operate that. Simply flip back your cover. This is a spark igniter here at the end. We simply turn this. This will turn red. Spark it, and there you got flame. Your refrigerator does have a operation to adjust the temperature setting. Down in here, it's on the coldest setting right now. You can adjust that. It's really, really cold right now. You can adjust that back simply to cold if you want. That's all you have to do with the refrigerator. Everything else for the refrigerator is automatic. Microwave is very straightforward. These vents on the air conditioner are designed so that if you want to force air through the system, you simply close those vents, open it up. You'll get what's called a direct flood. It'll essentially flood all the AC to this area. Let's walk you around the rest of this coach. More USB hookups down there, you guys. Your fireplace has a simple on-off, thermostatically controlled. You can adjust the flames to different colors if you'd like, adjust the speed of the fan control, and that'll simply shut it off again. It does put out 5100 BTUs. It is like a little ceramic heater, so very, very simple to operate. Once again, we appreciate your business. We hope you enjoy your new RV. If you do have questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell at any time. I'll be happy to answer any of those questions. Thank you again. Have a great day.